Hello everyone, welcome to Vigo Webs. Today we are going to create a responsive subscribe form. Let me start. Here I am naming subscribe form. Here I am already added the CSS. Here adding container for the input field. Input container. Inside this div, I am adding the input field. Here, placeholder. Enter your mail ID or email ID. Then button. Class button subscribe. Okay. Now let me give style to this form. Body, background. I am giving some dark color. Display, flux, aligning, center, content, center, then align item, center vertically, then giving height, minimum height, 100, viewport height, margin 0. Now input container. First display flux with 30%, border radius 1, rem, background. Here having the linear gradient 135 degree as 3272F 0% and as 1618 100%. Then input border radius 0.8 rem 0.8 rem. Okay. Now here I am adding the box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, that's 3, again 10 pixel, minus 10 pixel, 40 pixel, that's 8, 3, 4, 8. Okay. Then in the input I am giving the background color 2327. Yep. Then here I am adding the box shadow. Insert 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 3, then again insert minus 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel as 3A3E 4B 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 100 pixel. Then here I am adding the RGBA color 255 212 49, 0. again 0 pixel 100 pixel G PA 255 for the green 102 0 102 for the blue 0 and again another 0. Okay, then flex basis 75%, padding 1 rem, and here for the container I am adding the padding 0.3 rem and gap 0.3 rem. Okay, here coming to the input, here border 1 pixel solid transparent, color white, transition all 0.2 second is in out. Then input focus, border 1 pixel solid 3 outline, none, bob shadow insert 0 0 10 pixel RG PA color 255 102 0 0.5. I am copying this one, again insert here 0 255 212 59 and 0.5, again 0 0 100 pixel 212 59 0.5, once again 0 0 100 pixel not to 0. Okay, then next going to add the button. Flex basis 25%, padding 1 rem, background here I am using the linear gradient 135 degree RGB colors 255 212 59 0 degree, then again RGB 255 102 0 100%. Then next box shadow 0 0 1 pixel RG PA 255 212 59 0.5, then again 0 0 1 pixel RGBA 255 102 0 0.5 alpha value. Okay. Now adding the font weight 900, letter spacing 0.3 rem, then text transform uppercase, color 3 F with 100%, border radius 0 1 rem 1 rem, again 0, and transition all 0.2 second is in out. Then button over, background here linear gradient 135 degree, RGB color 5212 59 50%, again RGB 255 102 0 100%. Then adding the box shadow 0 0 100 pixel, RGBA 255 212 59 0.5, again 0 0 100 pixel, RGBA 255 102. Okay. Now our form is working as expected. Now I am going to add the media query for smaller devices. Right? Media width view max width 500 pixel. First input container flex direction column. Here let me adjust this one. Then we are adding with 80%, padding 0, gap 0. Then for put border radius 0.8 rem, margin bottom 0.5 rem. Okay. Then for the button with 100%, border radius 0.8 rem. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.